Again, if you've got kind of a safety thing going on where you think there's going to be a status differential in the room, or if you think there is going to be some political posturing or agenda pushing where people are going to kind of vote for the things that they believe are the most important, you can put in a constraint that basically says everyone gets 3 votes. You can't vote for the topic that you picked. And that's a really good way to try to get people to really think about what's most important for the whole group. Tip number 6 is all about the dreaded scaling problem. So if you're using an online tool like Miro or Trello or our Lean Coffee tool, it doesn't really matter how many people you have in the session. If you're doing it in person, it can get a little more tricky. So I did a session with 150 people once, and what I had them do was at their individual tables is had them write down all the questions they had within the context of a theme, and then they voted on the topics at their table themselves, and we took the number 1 voted problem or question from each of the tables, put that up on the wall, and then used the last tip I talked about, which was everyone gets 3 votes, but you can't vote for the topic that came from your table. So really dealing with scaling Lean Coffee, especially in an in-person setting, is pretty easy to do if you put that little constraint on it.